We started out with our very basic metal cutting and forming. We started with a turret and a brake press. Over the years, we continued to grow. We continued to bring in more equipment. A lot of Draper's ability is in growth in the metal fabrication area. We're doing a lot of custom manufacturing now. I think it's very unique to Draper. I think most people are actually going offshore or overseas to get a lot of their components, especially their major components. And that is significantly increasing their lead times. And by us having this equipment here, we can drastically cut our competitors' lead times and produce products a lot faster and a lot more custom to what they're looking for. I think we have a real advantage with our customers that have unique situations, unique applications. Now we can mill with our milling centers, so we brought that functionality in. With our coil-fed laser line, now we can go up to 26 feet in length. All of that stuff goes through the powder coating line, which was added. So the powder coating line lets us pick pretty well whatever color our customer wants. We can design items, we can get them sent down here, we can get them manufactured, put together and tested in a very short period of time. We're not waiting on suppliers. Then we'll actually use our 3D printing capability here, and we'll print a 3D plastic model of that component or of that system, and we'll actually show that to the architect, show that to the end user. It's amazing, you know, a picture's worth 1,000 words, where an item's worth 20,000. I mean, it's amazing if you can put something in their hands. And to me, that's innovative in our model and in our business. I'm excited because our business is growing. I can see things moving. It kind of comes to a head here. When I think of innovation, I really think of what we can do as a company to meet our customers' needs. We're trying to do lower cost products. We're trying to do custom products. We're trying to do products that are exactly what our customer wants in a much quicker time frame than any of our competitors.